Now I just finished testing the Shark EveryMess 3-in-1 cleaner. I cannot get over what a great dry, wet, and stain cleaning vacuum this really is. And in this video, I just want to show how quick it is to clean it, as things can get really, really dirty. There's a lot of gunk in my suction devices, this one as well. So there's surely gunk in the pipe, and all I need to do is put down a bucket of water and let it suck up through that. Let me do it real quick. So I went with a nice hot bucket of water here. I'm gonna do this one first. And you can see just how quickly that cleaned everything. So I can twist this off. That's so nice. And now I wanna clean this as well. Same process, just stick it on. I cannot get over how fast this sucks everything up. It cleaned itself perfectly. It also emptied the bowl almost instantly. That's beyond impressive. And now that these are finished, all I really need to do is empty the tank. So I just unlock it. And then here is that tank of all the clean and dirty water. All I need to do is dump this, rinse this, and I'm good to go. Now I personally will leave this open once I put it in its closet so it dries out completely. I don't want this to have a bunch of liquid in it, but it really is easy to lock down as well. So now all I need to do is wrap the cord around, and it does actually lock in place on the back. So if you don't have it stretched long enough, it won't lock, but once you do, it locks right in. And then the power cord just wraps around the top. And I really appreciate that now it's all an easy single unit, and I still can open it up and let it air out with that cord on top. So that's really easy to do as well. This is hands down the strongest dry meets wet vacuum plus stain remover I have ever tested. I definitely recommend the Shark EveryMess. I think you're gonna love this.